Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use Oregon's Course to Endorsement Catalog. The Course to Endorsement Catalog is a collaborative project between the Oregon Department of Education and the Teacher Standards and Practices Commission, which is Oregon's educator licensing agency. The Course to Endorsement Catalog includes all of the National Center for Education Statistics, or NCES, course codes that have been adopted by the Oregon State Board of Education, and identifies by endorsement the courses that teachers are authorized to teach. The catalog can be found by searching for the Teacher Licensure page on the Oregon Department of Education website. This page includes written directions for using the catalog, a summary of the changes to the catalog for the current year, as well as the current version of the catalog provided in two formats. In order to assure both versions of the catalog meet web accessibility requirements, some adjustments had to be made to the formatting for the 2025-26 version. While the content remains the same, experienced users of the catalog will notice some changes, which we will demonstrate in this short walkthrough. In the matrix version of the catalog, all NCES adopted courses are listed down the left-hand side, and all TSPC endorsements are listed across the top. Courses are grouped by subject area, and every course listed includes the course code, name, description, and whether there are any special requirements in place. For example, IB courses can only be taught in an IB-approved school and by a teacher who has been IB trained. In this version of the catalog, you can filter by endorsement or course name. For each endorsement, one of three results will appear. The word eligible indicates that the course can be taught by a teacher with the endorsement listed at the top of the column. A gray box indicates that the course cannot be taught by the teacher with the endorsement listed. The word atypical indicates that the course can be taught by a teacher with any endorsement, as long as that teacher holds a valid and active, unrestricted, non-provisional Oregon teaching license. This includes preliminary teaching, professional teaching, teacher leader, reciprocal teaching, and legacy licenses. Licenses that do not meet this definition include emergency, restricted, preliminary CTE, professional CTE, American Indian Language, and international visiting licenses. The second version of the catalog is commonly referred to as the Lookup tool. The Lookup tool provides the same information but in a more user-friendly format. To see all of the endorsements eligible to teach a particular course, click on the Course to Endorsement button in the top right-hand corner of the directions page. Next, use the first drop-down menu to select the appropriate subject area. And finally, use the second drop-down menu to select the course itself. All eligible endorsements will be listed underneath the course description. For some courses, the list may be long. In this case, right-click on the list of endorsements and click on Drill Through to the Eligible Endorsements grid. Finally, if you already know the course number you're looking for, choose Select from All Courses from the first drop-down menu, and in the search box of the second drop-down menu, simply type in the course code you are looking for. To see all of the courses a particular endorsement is eligible to teach, Begin by selecting the Endorsement to Course button from the top right-hand corner of the Directions page. Using the first drop-down menu, choose the TSPC endorsement area you would like to search. The list of courses that are eligible under that endorsement will appear beneath the search. You can also use the second drop-down window to filter by subject area if you wish. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Course to Endorsement Catalog. Please reach out to Sarah Martin at sarah.martin@ode.oregon.gov if you have additional questions.